Hi guys, just doing a BMW N57 timing chain rattle. So the engine is rattling, still runs, no damage, but we do have stretched timing chains, which we can see here at the top. It is loose in the guide. The mid chain isn't loose at present. The tensioner is still being able to maintain it. However, this chain is stretched. This is out further than it should be. This is about 15 millimeters extension at present. Now, normally on a new chain, they come out about 10 millimeters, which is about back here. These chains, when they do stretch, when they get to the point, the last one I had, now I've done 3 in the past month, and this chain was all the way over to this bolt and rubbing on the top of the bolt. Now, as you can imagine, that is a great amount of stretch in the chain. Now this was out as far as it could go, could no longer hold the chain under tension, and then the guides break. Another one I've had, the guides have broken, the engine's carried on running, customers not stopped the vehicle, and then the chain has then finally snapped also. So if you do ever hear a noise in one of these N57 or N47 BMW engines, switch it off, get it towed, speak to your mechanic, whatever. Now the oil pump chains also stretch. Now this is always going to be loose anyway, but I've got a measurement that I've started measuring these with, a brand new one, across, using this as a reference point to line your ruler or whatever up against. This across here should be 70 millimeters, or 7 centimeters. Not sure what that is in inches, guys, but they will always be loose. But as we can see, this one is very close to hitting this plastic guide around here. It's not actually a guide for the chain, it's just to prevent, I guess, the oil getting sloshed around with the chain. Bearing in mind this is inside the sump, this section here. So yeah, the reasons for chain stretch: lack of oil services. These vehicles can go 25k, that's 25,000 kilometers on an oil change. That's recommended by BMW. We don't recommend that. We're saying 10,000. Other than that, I've heard DPF fuel ending up into the engine oil due to post injection on the DPF regeneration.